Alright, Isaiah. Back to Matrix this for YouTube! Matrix! Dude, I'm on my bed! It's landing right there! Oh my god. Put a hole in it! I know how to do it safely! I'm gonna keep recording. Okay, we're gonna do it again! No! And you're not gonna get it. I don't want to play fireworks. You're gonna stay here, you're gonna throw it there, I'm gonna jump there.
You better jump.
You're gonna stand right there.
No.
Yes.
I'm gonna stand right here.
You're gonna throw it there. You
so that I can take off into your basement.
You put a hole in my bed. That was a lot better. Matrix!